everyone, welcome to watch Fifi's video. I believe you guys have already heard recent hot game Axie Infinity. Really a big sensation with amazing revenue of $9.72 million US, exceeding Chinese game Arena of Valor, and now gains the reputation of peak of blockchain game. Let's follow Fifi to see what the charm of this unparalleled game is and how to play to earn. In the game, players can breed Axie pets who have unique genetic traits that can be cultivated through SLP. SLP can be earned in the game and traded in the following links of Fish Pro platform. The price of SLP is around $0.3 US, and players can earn at least 3.3 to 8.6 a day. The longer you play, the higher the quality of Axie, the more you earn. The first step, download Axie Infinity. Open the official website, click Play Now, and the system will identify your client automatically. Only Android and PC are supported, and iOS is not available for now. Download the app. The second step, register an account. Registration is only available on PC client. Click Get Access on the official site to move to the trading page, which will guide you to complete the registration. Click Login with Ronin Wallet. Here you need to download the Ronin Wallet in advance and upload your Ronin Wallet address. If you have mnemonics, you can also generate address with them. Processes after downloading are basically the same with the MetaMask, with no need to repeat. Since you have got a Ronin address, click the login button above again and you will see an authorization pop-up window. Now you can complete your login after agreeing with the authorization. You will be promoted to set up username for the first time of login. Click the bottom of blue area on the top of this page and a pop-up window will appear for you to enter the account and password. The blue area will disappear upon registration and you can use your account and password to log in again on PC client or scan the QR code on the upper right corner with your mobile phone to log in the app. The third step, register pets. As a game is allowed on Ronin network, players need to make cross-chain the assets on the Ethereum to Ronin so as to buy pets. Open the cross-chain link, bridge.axieinfinity.com. Click Deposit to enter to the cross-chain page and then enter your address and accept each sum of cross-chain capital to complete cross-chain operation. Now you can buy your favorite pets on marketplace.axieinfinity.com. While attracted by hefty yields, green hands of Axie Infinity should mind potential risks as well and make interest with rationality after prudent risk evaluation. You can join the Telegram through this link to exchange game experience together and follow experienced game talents to gain more skills.